Looking for the best movers in Dothan, Alabama? Whether planning a local move or relocating across the country, choosing a trusted professional moving company can save you time, money, and stress. Top-rated movers in Dothan, like 3 Movers, handle every part of the process, from packing and loading to transportation, unloading, and unpacking. 3 Movers is one of the most reliable moving companies in Dothan. Known for their dependable service and transparent pricing, they've earned a strong reputation for moving locally and long distance. Requesting a quote is simple. Visit their website, input a few details, and get a customized estimate for your move. Services include residential, commercial, and apartment moves, vehicle shipping, storage, and more. Do you need to move on short notice? Same-day moving services are available throughout Dothan and nearby areas like Kelly Springs, Westgate Parkway, and Woodland Drive. Local moves in Dothan typically cost $800 to $1,500, while long-distance moves can cost $1,500 to $5,000 or more. Factors like distance, load size, moving date, and extra services all impact your final cost. Thanks for watching. For more moving tips and location-specific guides, subscribe to our channel and leave your questions in the comments below.